Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe and please hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload my new videos, and do like the video, comment and share with your friends. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So for as you can see, I have already applied a sellotape kind of a thing to get that sharp line. So for next step we are going to do is taking Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 06. I'm just going to apply in my entire eyelid. I'm just going to put in my entire lid, and taking my damp sponge, I'm just going to blend it out. Set the concealer. I'm just going to go directly to the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take Colorboard Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, and from that I'm going to take this shade, like this shade. I'm going to dip my brush into that eyeshadow, and I'm just going to tap it out in my entire lid. Just tap tap tap.
Brush for tapping. I'm just doing tapping motion.
Then taking one more clean brush, like blending brush, I'm just going to take same yellow color shade from that same palette, and just going to blend the harsh line like in circular motion. Again I'm going to go back to my other brush, and I'm going to take same orange shade. I'm just going to again pat it out. Just like that. I'm just going to pat out. Taking my this blending brush which I took for second one, I'm just gonna blend it out properly. This is my blending brush again, which I took for second shade yellow. I'm just gonna blend it in circular motion.
Dabbing brush. I'm just going to take a darker shade, and I'm just going to put exactly in my crease to get intensified the color.
And I'm taking again the blending brush to buff out the edges. Just like that. Next I'm taking this Dazzler eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply. The reason I put this tape is to get that sharp lines. This one, and I'm just going to tap 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 a little bit. My entire lid. just like that. So I'll do other eye off camera and I'll come back. As you can see, I have already completed my both the eye makeup look. So now it's time to get back to our face. So for the face, I'm gonna take this Dove moisturizer for my face. And for the primer, I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty primer in the shade N02 Golden Tint. It's a very beautiful primer which gives a golden tint to your face, so I just love this one. I'm gonna just blend it out. You can see the glow. Primer is blended out. I'm just gonna take my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 0300 Toffee. I'm taking this shade and taking back of my hand, I'm just gonna first warm it up. Then I'm just put foundation strokes on my faces, just like that. And bit on my neck. And taking my same damn sponge, just take all the foundation and I'm gonna start blending out evenly on my entire face. By the way, this is my favorite foundations. Still no, I have tried a lot, but this is my favorite. I'm gonna take my two concealers, one from Swiss Beauty and one from Wet n Wild.
I'm gonna take Swiss Beauty here, 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 and my lighter shade Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna apply here, 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 and here. Because this is a lighter shade, so I put
for highlighting. So I'll start blending it out evenly. Just like that. And I'm gonna start from under eye and I'm gonna just tap tap tap. Once the concealer is blended, I'm just gonna take same sponge and I'm just taking my Lakme Compact and I'm just gonna dab on my under eye. Just like that. Next, I'm taking my face brush and I'm just gonna dip it in that and I'm just gonna apply in my entire face.
Next, I'm taking my loose powder and I'm gonna bake under eyes.
And I'm going to start my under eye makeup. So for that I'm going to take same eyeshadow which I've taken, orange shade, and I'm just going to put near to my lower lash line. I'm just going to blend it out. To highlight my inner corner, I'm gonna take this shade, this glittery shade. I just want to make it like a pop-up. Just like that. Next, I'm taking MAC ka mascara and I'm wiggling nicely inside the box and I'm taking out and I'm just gonna
coat my lashes. Under eyes, in lower lashes also.
Taking same mascara, I'm just going to fill in my brows. Just like that. And to bronze my face, I'm going to take Rimmel Stay Matte bronzer, and I'm just going to do like this, and I'm just
Okay.
taking same bronzer. I'm just going to take this eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just going to put like this to contour my nose. Taking same loose powder, I'm just going to bake side of my nose. And for the blush, I'm taking this eyeshadow palette. Taking this eyeshadow palette, from that I'm going to take this shade, pink color shade. You can see so beautiful it is. Highlighter, I'm taking this Sivana highlighter palette, and from that I'm going to take this shade and this shade, going to mix both and apply on my high points. And taking same highlighter, I'm gonna put under my brow bone to highlight brow bone. And off camera I have applied Red Cherry 3D lashes. So now it's time to take out all the bakings. Last step in our makeup is remove the lip balm. Maybelline New York Color Essence lip liner in the shade Midnight. I'm just gonna line my lips. Taking this Matte Me Up lipstick in the shade 12. I'm just gonna apply in my center of my lips. So yeah, this is my final look. Hope you all love the tutorial. So if you want to see more like this kind of a content, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload my video. And do like the video and share with your friends, and do comment down below whether the video was useful or no. And this is the complete look using the products. Hope you all love the look. So yeah, see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home, and wish you all a very happy Saraswati Puja. I could not wish you at the before of this video, so yeah, at the end I'm wishing you all a very happy Saraswati Puja. And yeah, see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.